everyone, and welcome back to ICP.USA's YouTube channel. Today's video is going to cover the tGW-700 series Quick Start Guide. The first step of the Quick Start Guide is connecting the power and host PC. First, you want to make sure that the network of your PC is functioning appropriately. Make sure your Windows Firewall and antivirus firewall are set accurately, or you can temporarily disable the Windows Firewall or antivirus firewall. Search servers on step 5 may not work if the settings are incorrect, so please contact the system administrator if you have a problem. Next, you're going to connect the module to your PC to the same subnetwork or the same Ethernet switch. Once that's complete, next you're going to want to connect the power supply, the PoE or the 12 to 48 VDC to the tGW-700 module. Next, you want to install the eSearch utility, which can be obtained from our website. And please note that the version of the eSearch utility must be version 1.2.5 or later. The following is an example of the RS-232 and RS-485 wiring deployment. Once that's done, then you're going to connect your Modbus device to the COM1 on tGW-700. Next, supply power to the Modbus device. And please note the wiring deployment of the device and power supply may vary depending on your Modbus device. Double-click the eSearch utility shortcut on the desktop. Then click the search service to search your tGW-700 series module. Next, double-click the name of the tGW-700 module to open the Configure Server UDP dialog box. Next, contact your network administrator to obtain a correct network configuration, such as IP mask gateway. Enter the network settings and click OK. Please note that the tGW-700 series module will use the new settings 2 seconds later. Wait 2 seconds to click Search Servers button again to ensure the tGW-700 series module is working well with the new configuration. Click the name of the module to select it. Click the Web button to log in to the web configuration pages, or enter the URL address of the module in the address bar of the browser. Next, enter the password in the Login Password field and click Submit. Please use the default password admin. Then, click the Port 1 tab to display the Port 1 settings page. Select the appropriate baud rate, data format, and Modbus protocol from the relevant drop-down options. Note, the setting of baud rate, data format, or Modbus protocol will depend on your Modbus settings. Finally, click Submit to save your settings. In the eSearch utility, select the Modbus TCP master item from the Tools menu to open the Modbus TCP master utility. In the Modbus TCP Modbus utility, enter the IP address of the tGW-700 series module and click Connect to connect the module. Refer to the protocol description section and type the Modbus command in the command field, then click Send Command. If the response data is correct, it means a test is successful. Please note that the Modbus command setting depends on your Modbus device. If you have any questions regarding your module setup or you're interested in learning about more products we have to offer, please feel free to reach out to us via phone, email, or directly through our website. We'd love to hear from you. That's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave us a comment if you have any questions, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye.